everyone, if f of x equals x squared plus 5, and g of x equals 9x minus 1, and h of x equals negative 2, so we're given three functions, we're going to find the composition of these four problems. So for the first one, we want to find f of g of negative 2. I'm writing it like this. So g of negative 2 is your inner function. So let's take care of that. G of negative 2 equals, take your g, and that's going to be 9 times negative 2 minus 1. So this gives you negative 18 minus 1 equals negative 19. So this is negative 19 if I substitute. Now we do f of negative 19. So f of negative 19, we take our f, so that's going to equal negative 19 squared plus 5. And that's going to give you, let's see, 361 plus 5, which equals 366. The next one, we have h of g of negative 3. So first we have to find g of negative 3. So you take your g function. So we have 9 times negative 3 minus 1. This equals negative 27 minus 1, which equals negative 28. All right, so we're going to plug in negative 28, because that's what that equals. Now find your h. So we write negative 2, and we're going to substitute negative 28. And that's going to equal 2 times negative 28 is going to be positive 56. All right. The next one is 3 of them. Oh my goodness. So you always want to do, so basically it's like this. F of g of h of 2. So the first thing we want to do is do h of 2. So h of 2 equals negative 2 times 2, which equals negative 4. So this whole thing equals negative 4. So now we have f g of negative 4. Now let's do g of negative 4, the inner function. G of negative 4 equals 9 times negative 4 minus 1. So this equals negative 36 minus 1 equals negative 37. All right. So now we substitute, this is negative 37, and we're doing f of negative 37. And that's going to be, you take your f, so negative 37 squared plus 5. And this is going to equal 1369 for that, plus 5 equals 1374. And finally, for the last one, we have g h of negative 3. So again, do your inner function, h of negative 3, and that's going to be negative 2 times negative 3 equals 6. So this equals 6. Now let's do g of 6, because I'm substituting. So that's going to give you, where's g? G is that one. So it's 9 times 6 minus 1. And that equals 54 minus 1, which equals 53. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.